Another day, another boring day like any other day. This is all about my life. My very horrible clown life. And yes, I do go to silent circus to entertain, but sometimes it just gets a little boring. This happens every day. This is my home for now, even though I'm in another home. This is not a home, it's a hotel. And I won't be leaving for like 2 more weeks. Not even a week. Well, all my other clown friends, Bob, Droppo, Sammy, they don't care. I'm just here. I just want to be free, like all the others. It's a really depressing world for me. Even though that one time I got out with a machine, then Sammy Snipe saw me, locked me back up. Now I can't get out because this is my bed. It's really small. I'm in a really small room right now. It's horrible. And Fushine was with me. Fushine, you want to say hi to the people, the human? It's too dark. This is my hideous bag. You can't really see. There's a lot of shirts. This is a closet. I'm living in here, so yeah. Well, you want to know why I'm here? Well, one day I entertained. I was doing a magic trick, eating knives, real knives. And so I threw one up and stabbed a kid right in the eye. So now I'm locked up for good. And they let me out to entertain, but with no knives this time. Fun fact, or silent circus fact, my show stage was going to be called the Sprout Show. Now it's just Sprouty Show. Yeah. I can't get out because it's like locked up for good this time. But Pusheen can. So I'm going to let her out right now. There is camera speaking, so they can see when I'm getting out, but not Machine. So yeah, I'm gonna be careful with that. I guess I'll just go back to bed. Hold on. Oh, wait. They're off this weekend. The cameras are off. And they always trust me. So, yeah. But unfortunately, this one is locked. And my bathroom. Just kidding. And, yeah, I'm not allowed to go through there. For reasons. Lots of reasons. And yeah, this is my hideous bed with a Minecraft backpack. I like these. But yeah. I'm not going through there. And spikes will come at you right through the floor of you and enter